Programat video tutorial, Chapter 1, Introduction. Welcome to the introduction of the latest generation of Programat furnaces from Ivoclar. This video is a short visual guide that complements the operating instructions. The video shows you step by step how to install, start up, operate and take care of your Programat furnace. In addition, you will get an insight into the operation of the infrared technology. For the purpose of this tutorial, the Programat P510 G2 and P710 G2 were chosen. Most of the functions and basic features can also be found in the other Programat furnaces of the latest generation. This means that the features being discussed in this video are relevant across the range of different models. Please note, the Programat ceramic furnaces have been exclusively designed for processing dental ceramics and must only be used for this purpose. Please refer to the short instructions and operating instructions for additional detailed information, including error messages. You can download these documents from our download center. The instructions also contain additional safety notes.